Welcome to this transformative journey. The problem we often face is that we fail to recognize the true potential of the technologies at our fingertips, particularly AI, with our ultimate goal of achieving financial independence and the billionaire mindset. We need to effectively utilize the tools we have, just like the Detroit Pistons and Matt Bailey have. So, are you ready to ride this wave from Detroit to Malibu? Did you know that the Detroit Pistons decided to partner with Matt Bailey, CEO of Game On, based in San Francisco, California, to provide cutting-edge AI technology to its fans? Game On, AI chat. Now, why would they do that? Engagement, fan experience. Detroit Pistons will integrate AI chat features into digital platforms. Game One's chat services will focus on game day logistics, ticketing, and Little Caesars Arena fan experience. They understood the potential of AI and how it can enhance a good time integrating the capabilities that OpenAI and ChatGPT and AI can provide. This decision will free them up their time for personnel to tackle other business needs while ensuring their fans receive superior real-time support. Still unsure about the power of AI? Let's take another example. The small women-owned digital marketing company Ken SEO Change Digital Marketing based in Detroit, Michigan, features a YouTube support service agency accepting the challenge to leverage ChatGPT and AI tools to create billionaire brands with digital real estate. Detroit ChatGPT Revolution. The Detroit ChatGPT Revolution and the AI Revolution. They're helping people find ways to increase their wealth. Now, imagine you could do the same. Using AI, you can enhance your financial capabilities and achieve a billionaire mindset. Here are 5 AI-powered strategies. Number 1, AI-driven investment platforms. Analyze market trends and make investment decisions using AI. Smart investments lead to wealth growth. Number 2, a chatbot-powered business. Automate customer service and sales process to save time and money and improve customer experience. Number 3, AI-enhanced marketing strategies. Use AI to optimize your marketing strategies. Number 3, AI can analyze customer data and create personalized content to boost revenue. Number 4, AI-assisted personal finance management. Check your expenses, set budgets, and make smarter financial decisions. Number 5, AI-driven networking opportunities. Expand your network and connect with like-minded individuals. Potential business partners, mentors, investors are all within reach with AI-powered networking platforms. So, embrace the AI revolution. As we take the Detroit ChatGPT revolution and AI revolution to Malibu, remember that success is within reach when you leverage the power of AI. Let's harness it together and cultivate a billionaire mindset. I can, I will, I must, let's go!